Looking for reliable air tool connectors that won't let you down? The Primefit 1/4-inch steel male plug contractor pack offers heavy-duty performance built to last. Designed with industrial, Milton Style Interchange compatibility, these plugs adapt seamlessly to all industrial, Milton couplers, making them a versatile addition to any workshop. What sets these plugs apart is their zinc-plated steel construction. This finish provides excellent corrosion resistance, meaning your connectors stay strong and functional even in tough, moisture-prone environments. You get longer life out of each plug, reducing the hassle and cost of frequent replacements. Each pack contains 25 professional-grade 1/4-inch Male NPT Quick Connect plugs, perfectly sized for air tools with female NPT ports. Whether you're tackling daily shop tasks or heavy contractor jobs, these plugs are engineered to handle the wear and tear without breaking down. One user shared their experience after 6 months on the job. Not a single plug has broken despite daily use. That kind of durability speaks volumes about the quality you're getting here. It's a dependable choice for anyone who values tools that perform consistently over time. If you're tired of quick connect plugs that fail too soon, this contractor pack is worth a look. The combination of industrial, Milton style compatibility and zinc-plated steel means you're covered for a wide range of air tool setups, with a product built to last. Ready to upgrade your air tool connections? The Primefit 1/4-inch steel male plug contractor pack delivers what you need: strength, compatibility, and longevity. Try it when you're ready to invest in connectors that keep your workflow smooth and your tools ready for action.